Every day, the sun adds color to our world. It also makes fruits and vegetables gain their color and taste, as well as their vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Phytonutrients give plants color, promote their growth, and protect them from cellular damage and disease. What's good for fruit and vegetables might be good for us too. Unfortunately, 3 out of 4 adults do not consume the 5 recommended servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Also, a variety matters. Different colored plants offer different support from all the nutrients they contain. It's like drawing a picture. You need bright colored pencils to draw one. Same with phytonutrients. The more colors you have on your plate, the better support you get. Fill a potential nutritional gap with vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients from 5 different color groups. Nutrilite food supplements can support you and provide a variety of phytonutrients. Color your life for well-being.